In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to reverse image search on iPhone. Yeah, let's get started right away. So, what you want to do is, in order to let this work perfectly, you want to have downloaded the Google app on your iPhone. And once you've done that, you just want to open this up, and you will end up on this page. And there's some news and the search bar and stuff like that. But what you want to do is you have two sort of icons in the search bar. One is this one right here. That is the reverse image search, and one is a search with your voice or something like that. But you just want to click on this first one, and this is the Google Lens. And once you're here, you can either take a photo from something and then search it up on Google, or what we are going to do right now, we are going to pick a photo out of our Photos app. So we are just going to click on the top right corner on this photo icon. And once you're here in the photos, I'm going to select this Nintendo Switch Mario Party photo. As you can see, it is now searching on the internet, and we can find all this sort of stuff. And you can also click on more results. As you can see, we are right here, and you can click on images, and that's basically it. So of course, it depends on the photo and stuff like that, on how many results you will get and how easy it is to find the reverse image. But this is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.